Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Pokémon your active buddy. Open your trainer profile, tap Buddy, and confirm. Once done, check that Pokémon Go has camera permission and the app is updated so the snapshot option appears. Make sure your phone is charged, and if you want AR, that your device supports AR+. Otherwise, use the in-game backdrop. Do this now so you can immediately follow the next steps without interruptions and get the buddy ready to appear in the camera view. With your buddy active, open the buddy screen and tap the camera icon to enter snapshot mode. This is the only way to get a buddy photo in Pokémon Go. Once inside, choose AR on for a live environment or turn it off for the game's backdrop. Each gives different lighting and stability. Move your phone to frame the shot, pinch to zoom, and tap the buddy to prompt alternate expressions and poses. These small interactions change composition and help you capture a more natural, dynamic photo. Frame your buddy and press the shutter to take the snapshot. You can add stickers or filters before saving. Once saved, the image appears in your device gallery and the in-game photos album. If you want a different look, reposition the buddy, change AR on or off, and retake. The app allows multiple tries. If the snapshot fails to save, make sure Pokémon Go has storage permissions. Clear temporary cache by restarting the app and retry. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.